Alright guys, 2011 Hyundai Accent, alright, 4-cylinder engine. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change the belts. Already did them. So this car has 3 belts. The one all the way down there is the AC compressor belt. Then you have the alternator all the way over here, and then you have the power steering pump. Alright guys, and I'm gonna show you how to change these two. Very simple. The back one, customer requested not to. It looks good. I think they had that changed, just that one. But to get to that belt, you need to remove both of these belts. Alright, so I'm gonna show you a small procedure how to do it. Right, very simple. Alright, first of all, you guys gonna need number 12. Deep socket will work perfectly, and a long ratchet if you can. And that's all you need, and maybe a pry bar and a number 10. Alright. Number 10 is not necessary, but if you can get it, that's perfect. Oh, before I put this away, the 2 belts here, the part numbers are right here, guys, for both of them, all right? And there's the belts. One is the V-shaped belt, and the other one is just a regular with the grooves, all right? So that's that. These are the part numbers you guys are gonna need. All right, so just to give you a little bit of extra room, remove this cover right here. Number 10, I got it removed already. I haven't put this back together, even though I finished the job out. All right, and this comes right off. All right, after that, before you remove this belt, the power steering belt, remove the alternator belt. To remove the alternator belt, you have a bolt right there. All right, all you're gonna do is you're gonna go about 4 turns back, and then from down below all the way down there, you have another number 12 for the alternator. After that, you're gonna unadjust the alternator from right here, all right, from right there. All right, that's the adjustment screw. After that, you could use the pry bar to push the alternator back, and this belt will come off. All right, and after that, you could turn this power steering pump right from here. You're gonna loosen up this number 12 bolt right there. All right, and then you're gonna loosen up this one right here. All right, very simple. Once you loosen it up, this pump should go forward. You're gonna remove that belt, put on a new belt, pull it forward, tighten the bolt, do the same thing with that one. Put the belt on, adjust the screw to make it tight, nice and tight, not too tight either, you don't want to break it. All right, and this belt is pretty loose. All right, and then you want to tighten that adjustment lock screw right there, and then one in the bottom, and you're done. All right guys, that's it. That's how simple it is. Thank you, and bye-bye.